Hi, my name is Kunal and you're watching Byte. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Jio postpaid connection. So before starting, for Jio prepaid connections, you do not need to do anything. You just need to stop paying, or should I say, you just need to stop recharging your phone, and in 3 months or in 6 months, your connection would be terminated by default. So that's not a problem. But the real problem comes in postpaid connections where the bill is getting generated at the end of every month and you need to get rid of it. So while you can do this trick on either your smartphone, tablet, computer, anywhere, but I am using my laptop for better visibility. So let's get to my laptop. But before that, the intro. Okay, so here we are on my laptop, and here we need to go to jio.com/help/contact us. Okay, so I'll leave the links in the description of this video. You can go from there as well. And over here, you just need to click on email, and then you have to fill in the details. So over here, you just need to fill in your details, and after that, in a product, you have to select Jio Mobile, and in the subject, you have to copy what I am writing over here. Okay. So this would be an application for cancellation of my Jio Postpaid connection. And over here, as you can see, this is an issue with the Jio website only. This text does not get erased when I start writing, so I'll leave these details in the description of my video and you can get them from there. You can just copy paste in your case also. So once this is done, you need to upload documents. So over here, you need to upload your Aadhaar card. Okay, you can upload a PDF which has the front and back of your Aadhaar card, and once that is done, you just need to click on submit. Okay, and once you have submitted, you get the thank you message, and then you have to select done, and this is done from here. After that, shortly you will get a message on your mobile and on your email as well that your service request has been logged in, and then in a day or two you will going to get a call from Jio, and they will tell you the benefits of Jio, and they'll try to convince you to retain the Jio connection and not give it up. But you need to just tell them that no, I do not want my Jio connection, and if they ask for a reason, you can give a simple reason stating that I already have one more SIM card with me which has Jio. That was the reason that I gave in my case, and so you are not interested in multiple Jio connections. And so after that, at last they will agree to you, and they will tell you that okay, your Jio connection would be terminated. And once they tell this, then in around 14 days your connection would be terminated. And in first in 7 days, what will happen is that your connection will be there, you can see the tower in your mobile, but what you cannot do is that you cannot call from your that SIM card, and you cannot use the data services. And then once 14 days are over, you will see that the tower from your, or should I say the signal from your SIM would vanish, and that means that your connection has been successfully terminated and you cannot get back that number anyhow then. And so that was the first part of this video, and with that, let's move on to the next part. The next part is how to get back the security deposit. So again, let me come back to my laptop. So here I am on my laptop, and you can see I am here on jio.com. Okay, so once you come over here, you have to go to support. So I'm selecting support over here, and then here you can scroll down and you can select claim refund, select mobile, and select terminate connection, and then continue. Once you do this, you have to give your account number and Jio number. Okay, so if you do not know what is your account number, you just need to go to the mail that you will receive from Jio, in which you get the bill, that is the e-bill for Jio. Okay, so search for this mail and open this PDF, and here you can see in your bill the second line over here on the right side, account number. This you just need to right over here. Okay, and then you can generate the OTP. You'll get the OTP on your registered mobile number, and then you can just add your bank accounts and initiate the refund. Okay, and one more thing, you won't get this refund in like just after disconnecting. You will specifically get a message and a email on your registered email ID and your registered mobile number respectively, regarding that your Jio number has been like terminated and you need to initiate your refund for the security deposit. So once you get that message, only then you have to come over here and do all this stuff. So I hope I am clear with this, and if you have any other doubts or any other queries regarding this, you can leave them in the comment section, or you can also mail them to byteofficial.india@gmail.com. That's my official Gmail ID. And that was all for this video. So if you found this video useful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.